What's up guys, you're watching Sid Technologies, and if you are new on my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like my video. So today I'm going to tell you how to create a public profile on your Snapchat. I'm just going to share my screen, a phone screen on my left side. So let's go to the screen and then let's go to the Snapchat, and here you have your Snapchat profile, and you just simply scroll down. Simply just scroll down here. Here is my public profile. You just tap on my public profile. You can set every public profile settings here. Simply just tap on the public profile, and here's introducing your public profile. Show off your best snaps, grow your audience, reach more people, get deeper insights. So here we go, edit a profile. You can edit your profile here. Here you have a stories, new stories, spotlight, and the insights. So here is the ad. Preview your public profile. So that's how here you can add your tap to add bio, location. You just add everything, every setting here. So that's how that simply you make the public profile. And if you go to the setting a public profile, here you have your edit profile, save story, your profile, share profile, and show story replies, location, each and everything you can set here. That's how that simply you just create your public profile on your Snapchat. And if you are new on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe and like. See ya.